Ripple XRP breaking news. XRP is going to zero. Bitcoin is going to zero. That's all I keep hearing all over the internet. A lot of people are trying to get you to sell your bags before it's moon time. You must continue to ignore the FUD. And today we have several pieces of evidence to show that this is purely fear, uncertainty, and doubt trying to get you out of this markets. Now, what I do have for you also is some very exciting news about bringing some unexpected excitement into the XRP community. Now, this has been a lot of fun. Some of you guys that have been watching, you already understand what it is, but we're going to be talking about it. I'm going to be showing you how to use it, and it's all based on XRP. So very, very exciting. If you're new here, my name is Ryan Huggins. I'm a crypto and real estate investor here in Southern California, and I pride myself on bringing you the most important, relevant content and bringing it to you in a condensed manner, because most people don't have the opportunity to spend hours a day researching this, but that's what we do here on the channel. So if you're looking for that, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you're going to be the first millionaire in your family, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're feeling bullish and you're feeling blessed about this bull run that's happening, let us know by typing 777 in the comments.
Before we dive in, please note that the opinions in this video are for informational and educational purposes only and do not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. All investments, including cryptocurrencies, carry risks and potential losses. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor. We are not licensed financial advisors.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So evidence piece number one, here he is. This is Mr. FUD himself, and this comes from Radar on X.com. Federal Reserve's Kashkari says very few transactions happen on crypto unless it's drugs or illegal activity, right? We covered that yesterday, but I love this response to this stupid statement from the Federal Reserve. Radar says TD Bank was just hit with a record $3 billion fine 10 days ago for laundering US dollars for drug cartels. So it's not even like secret illegal things going on. This is our country's banks, other countries' banks doing legit money laundering for criminals, not using crypto. So crypto is even, it actually solves this problem. We could have busted TD Bank years ago with crypto because we could have looked at all their transactions on Ledger and found it. So FUD number one, Mr. Kashkari. Now we do have FUD number two coming from a bank as well. Even the Federal Reserve is a bank, but this coming from Charles Schwab. Liz Ann Saunders, chief investment strategist, says Bitcoin doesn't solve any problem. It's not a currency nor a store of value. Meanwhile, as of October 18th, 2024, BTC sitting at $68,000.
This diversification across the board, would that for you involve crypto?
No.
No. Would it not even involve Bitcoin?
No.
Okay.
But
So if
I'm an avowed skeptic.
what's your skepticism based on?
I have yet to get a compelling answer to a question I ask everybody that's either an expert or a believer, which is what problem is this solving for? I get lots of different answers, but none that are terribly compelling. It's not a currency. It's not a store of value. It's not a medium of exchange. It's a speculative investment that's made a lot of people a lot of money. So have at it, but just be mindful of what it represents. It's not the next Bitcoin is not taking over from the dollar as the world's reserve currency. It's not a currency. So I think, frankly, a lot of the same type of money, meaning the rationale behind it, that might have otherwise gone into crypto, is some of the same conceptual money that's gone into gold.
Okay. So if I gave you a choice of gold or Bitcoin, I'm kind of guessing you'd choose gold.
Yes. Good thought.
Is there anything that would make you change your mind?
Not that I can think of in the near term, but I think crypto is more of a kind of a money chasing. I want to make a lot of money. I want to speculate, and everybody has the right to do that. But I think there's less there in terms of it representing something compelling. And in the case of Bitcoin's been around since 2009. When people say, well, it's still in its infancy, and therefore give it time to become a true medium of exchange. And in the world of innovation and technology, I don't know, 15 years is a long time.
Now, what's interesting in that statement that she made there, do you know what is a medium of exchange? That's right. XRP, baby. Now, you know the problem with XRP, though? XRP lately has been extremely boring. How about trading within 50 to 60 cents over and over and over and back and forth, no movement at all. And that is no movement in the price, of course. So is XRP being manipulated? What's going on with the price? Is it stuck, right? Yes, we do know that's obviously going on, because when you look at adoption, that has not stopped. In fact, adoption has ramped up crazy significantly with all the banks, all these institutions adopting it to use it. I'm going to show you one here today as well. But breaking XRP adoption is growing exponentially. The actual XRP token, Ripple, the protocol, what's being used to transfer money, right? XRP Ledger has massively spiked in active wallets, reaching 35,799 unique wallets, making at least one transfer in a single day, the highest in over 3 months. So we know that that is moving, right? So that's not boring. That's not stuck. Additionally, 3,858 new wallets were created in a single day, the highest amount in over 7 months. And I'm going to show you something that I think is going to make it even pump harder than that when it comes to adoption and growth on the ledger. Now, we do want to see XRP soar in price because we put a lot of excitement and care and time behind this project, and we would like to see our fruits of our labor come to reality. But while we're waiting, what if there was something that is very exciting and it allows you to continue to grow XRP as a whole? And we're going to get into that in just a second. But I want to show you, as we scroll down here, the very first tweet that you see under the post, why not the price? And that is really the question. Why XRP price doesn't move? Well, with this new wallet activity and this new system of having fun on the XRP ledger, I think price is going to start to soar. And we've been talking about this now for a couple days since it launched. Welcome to First Ledger, the fastest way to trade assets on the XRP ledger. You will just need a Telegram account to get started, click to connect, and create your first wallet. So you can come into this system here. We do even have a link down in the description if you would like to try this out. This is called First Ledger, and this is where you can trade meme tokens on XRP. And I think this is going to bring a lot of excitement because if you were not an XRP maximalist, if you were not an XRP cult member, you probably weren't thinking about XRP every day or trying to trade. Like, you can't really day trade. I mean, if you were day trading, it's very risky because there's no momentum. But now there's an option to be involved in XRP and have some excitement, fun, opportunity. Some people call it gambling, but we have seen tons of people make tons of money during the meme craze over on Ethereum network, then followed by the NFT craze on Ethereum network, then followed by Solana with the meme craze and the NFT craze over there, mainly the meme craze that's been blowing up. Then we saw Sui token, their meme craze, and then just launched just recently is actually XRP's meme tokens. And actually, it's been getting a ton of play all over X. A lot of people are talking about, like, big traders for the Solana blockchain and meme coins and things like that are like, whoa, I didn't even know XRP had meme coins. And it's just launching right now, which is very, very exciting. So what you can do is you can come over here, check this out. So let's say you have some XRP. It's just been sitting at 55 cents now. 50 cents now for 4 years. No, just kidding. But it's been sitting there for a long time. What if you had an opportunity of making more XRP while it's just sitting there? Now, obviously, there could very well be an XRP moon coming soon as well, which is very exciting, which is why you should subscribe to the channel because we're always following the latest, greatest news of what's going on with XRP. So click that subscribe button. But yes, let's take a look. What do we get here over on First Ledger searching for coins? So first off, you got the price. See the percentage change in 5 minute, 1 hour, 24 hour, the last 7 days, 24-hour volume, 24-hour volume change, total volume created. This one was just created 13 minutes ago. So look at this. These are coins that all just were launched within the last hour. Got a whole page full out of 135 pages. Now you can sort by when it was created, total volume. Let's look at the total volume exchange here. This one, Schweppe, is the #1 highest volume token on the meme tokens for XRP right now. And it is trading at 1.47 million XRP in total volume. This one came out 6 days ago. Total value locked 2027. Market cap's currently sitting at 305,000. So it's not even a million market cap coin. Now, if we go down a little bit here, we have Scrap, which is a 1 million market cap coin. We have Goat, that is a 1 million market cap coin. So we'll search by market cap. see who's the leader. So GOAT is currently the leader. Scrap, Buzz, Drop, Burt, Schweppe, Stabby, S Cup or K Cup, sorry, PP and Brito come in the first page. And then look at the number of holders. I mean, these tokens are all relatively new. I mean, there's no even 1,000 holder. Let's see if there's a 1,000 holder coin. There's not even a 1,000 holder coin yet over here. So that's really exciting. You'll be able to look at the audit and which ones have been audited, which ones have not. There's a check mark. So let's go ahead. I'll show you a coin that I got. This is my personal coin that I liked because Swift, right? XRP going to replace the Swift network. So they come out with a Swift coin. I thought it was the greatest meme that I saw out there. It's not like some animal or some picture or some phrase. It's like, what is the goal of XRP? To replace the Swift monetary system. So I like this one. By the way, as we said before, this thing's probably going to go to zero because they're meme coins, right? So anyway, just wanted to show you, though, over the last couple of hours, what's been happening. You can sort your chart just like every chart over the daily. So yesterday it started. Today it's on its second day, moving to the upside. On the hourly chart, you can see it's a little bit of an uptrend. People are taking profits up here at the max. So what do you get to see over here on the charts? You got the 5-minute, the 1 hour, the 24-hour. That's how much they're up or down over those periods of time. The market cap shows right here, $30,000 market cap. Liquidity is currently sitting at 2.46. And the hourly or the 24-hour volume, 27,000 XRP. It's down because yesterday, obviously, it had that super moonshot. The volume was crazy huge yesterday. This project has been black holed and the LP has been burnt. My current value, I'm holding 632,000 Swift tokens. Swift to the moon, baby. We'll see what happens. The initial dev balance was only 10%. I like that. Some of the tokens will have a 20, 30% dev balance, not wanting that. We can also look at the top holders who are holding. Now, when you take a look at this, you can see this is the creator of the token. And when you put your little cursor over it, it shows that it's the dev. They're holding 20% supply. The initial dev balance was 10%. So they obviously bought up a significant amount upon launch. Right here, we have the liquidity pool. So as I was saying before, we have people like OX Nobler, Crypto Nobler. This week I made over $130,000 by copy trading insiders. All you need is at least one good wallet to track. However, most people don't know where to start and find these wallets. So this person, though, made $130,000 trading. They're doing this on the Solana blockchain. So interestingly enough, now we can, because a lot of us, I don't even have a Solana wallet, actually. So once the Solana craze went, I didn't even care. Once it left Ethereum, went on to Solana, I literally just, I'm done. I'm just going to hold what I have. I'm going to hold my XRP. I wasn't doing any trading. I was flipping a lot of NFTs for a little while during the craze. But what's crazy is I sat all this Solana piece out. What I'm going to do with a small account, I'm going to continue to trade my XRP account. It'll be a challenge, and you guys can watch it as I go through it. So I did transfer over a little tiny bit of XRP into this account to test it out. We have 190 XRP and 55 XRP. All right, we'll jump over here to the XRP chart. As we've been talking for days, we got above that 10 exponential moving average and held, but today it broke down. So not looking exciting there. Maybe heading back towards that 50-cent level. But anyway, wanted to do the math here. So if we're at 53 cents, I mean, yesterday we were at 54 cents in reality. So 245 tokens times 0.54 equals 132 bucks. So I put $132 into that trade. Let's see if we can get to a 10x on that account, then 100x. I don't know how much actual day trading I'm going to be doing over there, but I'm going to try to find some gems and hold them for a few days, and we'll watch it go to the next level. But we're literally going to start with this 135 on this wallet, and we're going to continue to track it. So again, subscribe. Let me know what should be the goal. Should it be a $1,000 goal, $10,000 goal? Let me know down below. I mean, we got this guy over here making 130 grand in a month. Obviously, look at this entry price on an absolute moonshot there. But they are playing with a larger bag. So not everyone has a large bag. Like if you're new here, you're new to XRP, you may not have tens of thousands of XRP, and that's totally fine. So let's play like a normal person, you know, right there. We got $132 worth of coins to just mess around with and see what happens. My first two purchases was at 00044 and 00037. It's currently sitting at 00048. And my value in my bag right now is $160.89. So we're up $30, not too bad, right? And that was after someone must have just sold pretty good. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, someone just sold 509 XRP worth, 6 and 6, 60, 120, 620, big sales right there. So bringing it down. But the interesting thing is, who knows what happens here? I'm excited to find out. This is exciting because every day you have something to look forward to, as opposed to with XRP having to wait months and months and months for it to move anywhere. On the 4-hour chart, you can see here we're still looking good. I mean, we could be breaking new all-time highs here soon, but it's not about that one token. It's about all of the tokens, all of the opportunity that's going on over here. So if you want to play along with us, like I said, there is another link down in the description below that's about First Ledger. Go check it out. Come and play with us. Make some swaps. Let us know in the comments. Show us some of your wins and your gains. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to outgain me because you have more time to put into this, but I'm just excited to see what happens here. Again, this is not financial advice. All of this could likely go to zero, which is what all the FUD people are saying. Crypto's going to zero. But are we really going to zero, or are we about to make $130,000 a month in the next couple of months? Only time will tell. And there's only one way to find out, and that's to test it out and see what happens. All right, jumping back over to X.com, some more news to cover for us today. Boom, Japan is set to begin using XRP for all payments worldwide. Very exciting there. We also have this here just in: Japan's Democratic Party of the People leader pledges to cut Bitcoin and crypto taxes. So it looks like Japan is for sure getting on board. We know in the United States, when we get a new president, that's a new regime, a new leadership, are we going to be in the same scenario that we are now? Or do we have the new pro-crypto president coming in to help us surge to the next level? Only time will tell. We're the lucky number 13 on the countdown to getting over there. Now, what also was very, very huge, again, like I said in the beginning, are we in trouble? Is everything going to zero? No. And I wanted to show you some positive things here as well. So private equity firm Arum launches a $1 billion equity and debt tokenized fund on XRP Ledger Network with Zoni QX Inc. The vehicle will focus on data center investments across US, Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, India, Europe, claiming to be the world's first combined equity and debt tokenized fund. Again, what do we say? Everything adoption-wise is coming huge to XRP. But why isn't the price running? I'm still doing research every day to find out why isn't the price running. Now, what we do know on this XRP chart, which is busy as can be, I'm sorry if it's a little blurry for you, but what I wanted to show you guys, and we're still tracking this is very, very important. The first of the month, what happens? It drops. The first of the month, what happens? It drops. The first of the month, what happens? It drops. The first of the month, what happens? It went up for a day and then drops. The first of the month, it goes up for a couple of days, then it drops. Now here, first of the month, it went up for a little bit. That was all the way back in May. First of the month of April, down, fake up, down. Why is the price going down? Well, someone is selling on us, and that someone is Ripple, right? We know this now. We've known this for a long time right now, because every month Ripple unlocks a certain amount of XRP from their escrow and they sell it to help pay for their business, to help pay for their bills, their legal fees, to help pay for their potential settlement, right? So what if they've been dumping and dumping, but not in huge quantities? Maybe they needed hundreds of millions of dollars for the settlement. Could you imagine, though, if they unloaded hundreds of millions of dollars all at once on us? Would be pretty drastic to the price of XRP. So what if they've been actually, like, I'm upset with them, obviously, because I mean, look at this trading range. From here, 59, 60 cents to here, 50 cents, 50 to 60, 50 to 60, 50 to 60. Oh, dip, 50 to 60, 50 to 60, forever. Like, even look at it this way. Let's look at the monthly chart to make it a little easier to read it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months. That's a year of sideways trading. And in fact, we go here, 13, right here even, 14, 15, 16 months ago was the last time we had some euphoria inside of XRP. And that euphoria, how much excitement was that? That was excitement up to 93 cents. So let's get out of this lawsuit. Ripple XRP stopped selling on us. Chris Larson stopped donating to the person who's going to try to take crypto away from all of us. Now back to that investment. The fund leverages tech by San Francisco-based tokenization service provider Zonic X to create security tokens of underlying financial institutions. The issuance marks a milestone for XRP Ledger and development firm Ripple Labs' newfound ambition to claim a share of the booming real-world assets RWA tokenization space. Institutional investors are increasingly placing traditional financial products like bonds, credit, and equity on blockchain rails in pursuit of operational efficiency gains and speedier around-the-clock settlements. The real-world asset market, RWA, could grow to trillions of dollars over the next years. Various reports from McKinsey, BCG, 21 Shares, and Bernstein estimated. And as you guys know from watching this, if you're new here, you didn't know this, but real world assets, in my personal opinion, is what I think is going to move the needle the most. And the reason why I say that is because we've already been doing cross-border payments. Ripple has been successful at this cross-border payment thing. We have institutions, countries, big giant companies, corporations, individuals already sending money back and forth, and the price has gone nowhere. So we need some bigger use case utility for this to bring it to the next level. Ripple is also awaiting approval from New York state regulators to launch its US dollar stablecoin, which would play a key role in improved liquidity and support institutions to tokenize and settle financial assets on the XRP ledger. Ripple Labs president Monica Long said last week at the company's annual Swell conference, tokenizing private equity is another emerging use case in RWA, tackling the challenges of illiquidity and limited access in these markets, said David Schwartz, chief technology officer of Ripple and co-creator of XRP Ledger. By using XRPL's ability to process transactions efficiently and securely, Aurum and Sonic X are showing how real-world assets can be managed more effectively, harnessing a decentralized blockchain. All right, and I wanted to show you guys this here. First Ledger had tweeted out some information. The battle First Ledger has begun. First Ledger and its community continues to push the front line. Stay golden, trench warriors. And then it's got some memes on here, which is pretty cool. And then blockchain backer says XRP has memes and users are coming in. Memes are strictly gambling, but there is a market for it. Watch out, Solana. Someone else with high speed and low fees has entered the game. So it's going to be a lot of fun to watch this growth and see what really happens in the meme coin section and also profit on it. Now, also just in, the court has officially acknowledged the notice of appearance, which was required by the deadline of October 18th, 2024. Now, what we say here is acknowledgement and notice of appearance default notice pursuant to Second Circuit Local Rule 12.3, the Appellee's Counsel acknowledgement and notice of appearance was due on October 18th. The court has not received the acknowledgement and notice of appearance on behalf of Appellee's Counsel. If Appellee's Counsel does not file acknowledgement and notice of appearance within 14 days of the date of this notice, when the appeal is placed on the calendar, Appellee's Counsel will not be heard at oral argument except by permission of the court. So in the comment section, what does this document mean? Well, Ripple's legal team missed the deadline to file the acknowledgement and notice of acceptance, but received a 14-day extension until November 1st. And if they miss this new deadline, they risk being barred from presenting arguments, which could jeopardize. And we do have some great news about XRP and some more hype for XRP on what its main focus is to do, which we were just talking about. Price doesn't move much because of this, but it is a bridge currency. Let's take a listen.
As well. Right. Yeah. I'll make it quick. Let's say you wanted to buy $100,000 worth of something. They want to use Tether. You have $50,000 worth of USDC and you have $50,000 worth of Tesla stock. Imagine being able to compose in real time in a single transaction all of the nested transactions necessary to swap your USDC and Tesla stock trustlessly and escrowlessly into Tether and use that as the settlement thing that you email over and it settles immediately. The ability to kind of go cross market in one market is just not something we currently think about doing.
Right.
Certainly not in real time.
So it's been another great day in the crypto world. And now, are you ready to become a crypto millionaire? Take your knowledge and portfolio to the next level. Join our early bird list for exclusive altcoin picks, market analysis, and early access to our crypto education inner circle. No previous crypto trading experience required. All you got to do is go to the very first link in the description down below, and then you'll have this right here. You're going to click the button, enter your best email address there to get started.